to the channel. In this video I am going to take a Carl's Jr. cup here and I'm going to turn it into a Ikea style light using this. So, and now it looks like this. So what I got to do now is poke a hole in the top, put my LED light in there, and then it'll be done. Now we're inside. So now I got to make a hole using this bit, and I'm going to use this, but only one little section. So now we got the light hooked up and working properly. So now I got to turn it off and make sure it's right. There we go. So if I hold this, whoops, didn't plan on that. Now that's the light. So I'm going to put it back down. As you can see, it's still lighting up. So now what I want to do to make it a normal light, make sure you pull the tab out. There we go. So now if I hold it up, boom, there's your light. So I just made an Ikea style light. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.